Are you ready to take on DIY projects at home but not sure where to start? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Introducing the top 10 must-have DIY tools every homeowner should have in their arsenal. 1. A cordless power drill. Perfect for drilling holes and driving screws with ease. It's the backbone of any DIY project. 2. A reliable set of screwdrivers. From small repairs to assembling furniture, you need a variety of sizes for any task at hand. 3. A sturdy hammer. Whether you're hanging pictures or building furniture, a good, solid hammer is an essential tool. 4. A tape measure. Accurate measurements are crucial for any home improvement project, so make sure you always have one handy. 5. A utility knife. It's versatile and perfect for cutting through different materials like cardboard, plastic, and even carpets. 6. A level. Ensuring that everything is straight and aligned is essential for a professional-looking result. 7. Pliers. These handy tools are great for gripping, cutting, and twisting wires. They're a must-have for any electrical or plumbing projects. 8. An adjustable wrench. With its ability to tackle various sizes of nuts and bolts, it's a staple tool for any DIY enthusiast. 9. Safety goggles. Protecting your eyes is paramount while working on any project, especially those involving power tools. 10. A stud finder. Whether you're hanging a TV or mounting a shelf, you'll need to locate the strong studs in your walls. And there you have it, the 10 essential DIY tools every homeowner should have in their toolbox. With these tools, you'll be ready to tackle any home improvement project. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this information helpful, be sure to ring the bell and subscribe for more things to come. Voiceover.